TikTok is a vast platform filled with diverse communities and unique niches that cater to a wide array of interests and hobbies. Here's a breakdown of some intriguing niches and communities you can explore. Number 1. BookTok, a vibrant community of readers and writers that share book recommendations, reviews, and original content. Users create videos discussing their favorite books, participate in reading challenges, and even write poetry or short stories. Number 2. PlantTok, a community for plant lovers from beginners to seasoned botanists. Content. Users share tips on plant care, propagation techniques, and unique plant finds, as well as showcasing their indoor jungles. Number 3. FoodTok, a niche focused on food lovers where users share recipes, cooking hacks, and food reviews. Content. Viral recipes, restaurant recommendations, meal prep ideas, and quirky food challenges like trying unusual flavor combinations. Number 4. ArtTok, a community for artists of all types to share their creative processes and showcase their work. Content. Time-lapse videos of artwork, creation, tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks at art projects, and challenges like drawing with a twist. And number 5. TravelTok, a niche that explores unique places, travel tips, and cultural experiences around the globe. Content. Users share travel vlogs, hidden gem destinations, packing hacks, and cultural insights from their travels. Number 6. Sustainable living, a community focused on eco-friendly living and sustainability. Content. Tips on reducing waste, DIY projects using recycled materials, and discussions about climate change and sustainable practices. Number 7. PetTok, a niche for pet lovers to showcase their pets and share tips related to pet care. Content. Funny pet videos, training tips, adoption stories, and informational content about specific breeds or care routines. Number 8. FitnessTok, a community focused on fitness and wellness, catering to various workout styles and health journeys. Content. Workout routines, challenges, nutrition tips, and motivational transformation stories. Number 9. DIY and crafts, a niche where creators share projects and crafts that can be done at home. Content. Step-by-step guides to create beautiful decor, upcycling projects, and craft challenges. Number 10. Mental health and wellness, a supportive community discussing mental health awareness and self-care tips. Content. Personal stories, coping strategies, mindfulness practices, and discussions surrounding mental health issues. Number 11. NerdTube, and gathering of fans focused on geek culture, including films, TV shows, anime, and comics. Content. Reviews, theories, conventions, insights, and cosplay showcases. Number 12. FashionTok, a space for fashion enthusiasts to showcase unique styles, thrift finds, and fashion advice. Content. Outfit inspo, styling tips, and discussions about current fashion trends. Number 13. FinanceTok, a niche focused on personal finance, investing and money management tips. On content, budgeting advice, investment strategies, and financial literacy education. Number 14. Home improvement and organization, a community dedicated to home makeovers, organization tips, and interior design. Content. Before and after transformations, organization hacks, and DIY home project tutorials. Or tips for engaging with TikTok niches. Follow hashtags. Use niche-specific hashtags to find content and connect with creators. And engage with content. Comment, share, and like videos to become part of the community. Create original content. If you have a unique perspective or skill, consider creating your own videos to contribute to the niche.